Today, once again, we will be having another episode, and our topic for tonight is about Ryan's World and all the hate he's currently receiving right now. Alam mo, napakaraming hate comments pagka binasa mo kapag yung topic is about Ryan's World, the popular kid. Siguro kilala naman natin lahat kung sino si Ryan, di ba? Kilala mo si Ryan, of course, di ba?
Everyone is posting YouTube videos about he's quitting.
Quitting na
But
ba siya?
he isn't quitting.
Hindi naman siya quitting.
And he needs to stop, but he doesn't. Many people are posting videos like that.
Okay. So, ilang taon na ba si Ryan?
He's like probably somewhere around 13.
13 years old na siya ngayon. Nagsimula siya 7 yata, around 7 years old. And then
he started when he was 4 or 5.
4 or 5. O sige. Okay. So si Ryan is nagsimula 4 or 5 years old by unboxing mga toys, 'di ba? Tapos enjoying Toy reviews. Tapos naging
and some books.
Oh, okay. Tapos naging books na, tapos naging iba-iba na, no?
Yeah, and he became popular.
Tapos naging sikat na sikat siya, no?
He even made a Plants vs. Zombies.
Meron na siyang Oo nga, no? Nagkaroon din siya ng sariling video games, nagkaroon ng mobile games, and so on and so forth. Sobrang sikat niya, no?
And he made his own game. I played it on my iPad before, but it has no memory. I can't play it anymore, so I deleted it. I had a Ryan's World game. It's like a race car where you're racing with other Ryan
oo, na-try ko yun.
characters.
Nakaka-enjoy nga naman yung yung game niya.
Oh, that's the one you're running?
Oo, yung tumatakbo.
Yeah, I played that. That's so fun.
Ano yun? Anong game yun?
It's where you're running with other characters, but I forgot the name of the game.
Oo nga, no, ang galing. Siguro, napakayaman na ni Ryan, ha? Sobrang yaman niya.
Yeah, I wanna play it again. Even Jatame has it.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, feeling ko naiinggit lang sila kasi parang at a young age, very young age, si Ryan, naabot niya na yung ganitong success in life. Talagang very, very lucky siya. Tapos, yung mga ibang tao parang naiinggit lang sa kanya kasi aside doon sa mga narating niya, yung success niya sa YouTube, yung sarili niyang platforms, yung mga merch, yung mga toys, 'di ba? Tapos recently meron siyang movie, which is ngayon ko lang nalaman. Tapos yung movie niya hindi masyadong naging success kasi hindi siya pinalabas sa mga iba't ibang lugar.
Theaters?
Oo. Selected locations lang. Ikaw ba papanoorin mo yung movie ni Ryan pagka pinalabas dito sa Pilipinas? Yeah? Kasi according to Google, pagka ginoogle search mo, yung budget, yung ginastos nila sa sa paggawa ng movie ni Ryan, $10 million. Tapos yung kinita nila, yung na-earn nila na money dun sa movie, $600,000 plus lang. 'Di ba? Edi overall lugi. No? Pero tingin mo Gab, yung mga nire-review niyang toy ni Ryan, tingin mo ano talaga yun? Legit talaga na maganda? Or ano siya? Or sponsored lang yung mga yun?
What do you mean by sponsored?
Sponsored, kunyari, yung toy maker, binigyan niya lang ng libre si Ryan or binayaran niya si Ryan to endorse yung toy. Or totoong gusto ba ni Ryan yung mga toys? Tingin mo?
He's not opening by himself. He's opening it with his parents.
Oo nga. Actually, the whole YouTube thing was the idea of his parents. Ang magaling talaga doon is yung parents niya. Kasi sila yung brains behind Ryan's World eh. Same thing as you, di ba? Sabi mo, gusto mo sumikat. Gusto mong maging kagaya ni Ryan. Di ba? Gusto mo? Ayun, ganun lang din.
Dati kinayamrocks na to already.
Sige. Okay. While doing the interview pala, meron tayong i-unbox ni Kuya Gab. Ito. Pakita mo sa camera. Ayun yung camera dito.
It's this, guys.
Dahil mataas ang grades ko, sabihin mo, recently, buksan mo na.
Yippee! How do you open this, Daddy? Can you help?
Ano pala yan? Ano yan? Dragon Ball. Favorite mo yan ngayon. Sabihin mo yun yung favorite mo ngayon.
Yeah, it's one of my top favorite animes. Actually, my favorite
Bakit?
anime.
Bakit favorite mo yan?
It's because the characters are cool.
Mm.
And there's a dragon called Shenron that can grant your wish if you can. It can grant 3 wishes if you get the 7 Dragon Balls and recite the password.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Paano mo nalaman yung Dragon Ball? Sino nagsabi sa'yo niyan?
watching movies, watching it online, AI and other stuff.
AI? Tinatanong mo yung Dragon Ball kay AI?
Yeah.
Pero sa tingin mo ba overall si Ryan is magandang influence sa mga kids? Kasi ang daming nanonood sa kanyang kids eh. Pero alam mo ba, tingin mo ba masaya si Ryan talaga sa mga toy review niya pagka nag-unboxing siya? Tingin ko, Gab, masaya talaga si Ryan kapag nag-unboxing siya. Kasi hindi naman scripted yun yung mga toy review niya eh. Ikaw tingin mo ba scripted yung mga toy review niya? Wala kang, anong pinaka natatandaan mo na toy review? Toy review ng Spider-Man, Marvel.
Lightning McQueen car ball. It's a big ball where it's like soccer.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ay, oo, ilang beses mo pinapanood yun, di ba? Paulit-ulit mo pinapanood yun eh. Di ba? Sinave mo pa nga sa iPad mo yun eh.
Wait, how do you know?
Oh, syempre, tatay mo ako eh. Paano hindi ko malalaman?
But how did this is Goku Super
Pating nga,
Saiyan.
pating nga.
He is
Uy, Goku mo, pagod na.
they do it
Ay,
by doing
sino to?
this. Majin Buu.
Ano mo? Ang ganda ng Majin Buu, Gab, oh. Parang legit talaga siyang Majin Buu, oh. Price reveal, magkano to? 600 pesos lang yan.
Daddy, anong pangalan ng asul?
Ito? Hindi ko alam pangalan niya kung ano. Sino yan?
I don't know this.
Merong mga characters na hindi ko kilala. Or feeling ko hindi to talaga existent. Anyway, overall, si Ryan talaga, Ryan's World is a big success talaga when it comes to YouTube and content creation. Kumbaga siya talaga yung pinaka-idol na talaga ng mga bata, di ba? Siya na yung parang pinaka-tiningitingala nyo, di ba, sa mga age group nyo. Alright, okay. I think let's wrap it up. Overall, para sa akin, si Ryan is talagang massive success. At saka napakaswerte nung bata, di ba? And whatever happens naman sa kanya, I think secured na yung future ni Ryan.
Goodbye, viewers.
Alright, let's wrap it up. And thank you very much, Gabriel, once again for sharing your thoughts